Hi guys, and welcome to Shield's Cooking. Today we're gonna make some delicious cinnamon rolls. I'm gonna finish it off with a vanilla glaze and I think you guys will really love it. So, let's begin.
Start by pouring 380 grams of flour in a bowl. Add 70 grams of sugar, 4 grams of salt and 60 grams of butter. Now mix 160 grams of milk that's on room temperature with 5 grams of instant yeast. Add this to your flour mixture together with 2 eggs. Now knead this into a nice elastic ball of dough. This takes about 5 minutes of kneading. Put it in a greased bowl and cover it with plastic foil. Now let this rest for 1.5 hours. Meanwhile, mix 150 grams of brown sugar with 10 grams of cinnamon powder. Now flour your worktop and roll out your dough until it's a big square. Put 60 grams of softened butter on the dough and spread it with a palette knife. Then spread your sugar mixture evenly on the dough. Now tightly roll up your dough and slice it in even segments. Then line the cinnamon rolls in a greased oven dish and make sure the ends of the dough face each other. Cover this with plastic foil and let it proof for 30 until 45 minutes. Then bake them at 190 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes till golden brown. Now let them cool down for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, mix 70 grams of cream cheese with 60 grams of icing sugar. Cut a vanilla bean in half and add the seeds to your cream cheese mixture. Also add 30 grams of milk. Mix this. And now spread it evenly on your cinnamon rolls. And now you're ready to be served.
Okay guys, that's it for today. I've really enjoyed making this video and I hope you like it as well. Subscribe if you want to see more and share your results with the hashtag Shield's Cooking because I can't wait to see your creations. So, as always, bon appetit!